Okay, so now we're going to practice annotating a document using Google Doc and the highlighting tools while also showing how we find claims, evidence, and reasoning in text. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a color key. So our thesis is the main claim that we are stating to support what we think happened or our explanation. So I'm going to go up on the toolbar and you see the BIU, which are text annotators and text color. Next to that is an icon that looks like a highlighter. So I'm going to hover over and highlight the thesis main claim and hit the highlight color, and I'm going to make it blue. Then I'm also going to make my supporting claim. I'm going to highlight that because this is also still in the claim family. For me, I'm going to highlight it a different color blue. For my evidence, I'm going to pick, let's go to opposite of blue, and I'll pick red. And for me, for my reasoning, I'm going to click and highlight my reasoning and highlight it, let's say, in purple. All right, so as I'm reading the text, if I come across something that I think is the main idea or the main claim that the investigator is saying happened, I'm going to highlight the text and I'm going to use the color codes that I used in my color key. So if I think this is my main claim, I'm going to highlight it in blue. If I think the next sentence is a supporting claim, I'm going to highlight that using my supporting claim color. Then, if I think this is my evidence, I am going to highlight it in red. And if I think this is my reasoning, I am going to highlight it in purple. So for your main claim, there should only be one. You can have more than one supporting claim, and you can have more than one sources of evidence and reasoning. Now let's review from what we went over in class. Remember, a claim provides a possible answer to a big question or a solution to the problem. So in this one, your main thesis claim will be what you think happened, slip or trip. Your supporting claims will be any other smaller claims that support that bigger one. Your evidence provides any data or information or evidence that supports or disproves any type of claim. But in this instance, you're going to try to support your claim that you made using observations and statements in the text. And for your reasoning, this is where you kind of put it together and you provide a justification that links the claim and the evidence. Also should involve some sort of scientific principle, like, well, if he fell, gravity pulls you towards the center of the earth. It has to apply some sort of logical reasoning or observations based on how the world works to say why your evidence supports your claim. So I hope this helps. You're going to read through the whole document and highlight it using your color code, and then we'll discuss it next time during our asynchronous time.